how to buy TRABAJO24. So this is a Spanish word which mean work or job, working, so anything that's related to work in English. So this token called Trabajo in Spanish, Trabajo24. This token came under the symbol of T24. Now, before it starts, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. Before investing in any project that you found on my channel, please do your own research. And also, there is a referral code in the description. You can get free money rewards on crypto with the best referral code. Simply use the codes below, fund your account, and enjoy the benefits. Check them out in the description. So, as you can see, this located on Latin America, US, Spain. So this word is on Spain. So Trabajo24. So this token, it's in pre-sale for now. If you click on their website, as you can see, you will be able to relax it to this pre-sale page. So what you need to do, connect your wallet first. So select the wallet that you use, for example, MetaMask. So after you connect your wallet to the pre-sale page, what you need to do, just set here how much you want to buy of that token by using the Polygon. So as you can see, so now after you set how much you want to buy on and set the amount that you want to buy of that token, click here on buy 24. Because I don't have any fund on my wallet, I can't be able to see this buy button to click on it. So for you, click on buy 24 and a pop-up will be appear here from your wallet that you connected to this pre-sale page to complete the buy process to have this token on your wallet. So this is how to buy T24 or Trabajo24 token. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.